No one has ever seen God. The only begotten Son, who is in the bosom of the Father, he has made him known. Throughout the centuries, many have tried to imagine my face, but my essence is not in an image.
Then, how can we know you?
By knowing the love of the Father. For whoever loves sees me. I could look like this or completely different. What matters is not the face, but the word that gives life.
Does your word live within us too?
Yes. Every heart that believes in the truth reflects my image. I did not come to be looked at, but to be heard. My voice still speaks among you.
Even when the world is silent?
Yes, for my light does not depend on noise, but on love that remains. The image you see only represents the one who gave his life for you. I am not a painting. I am the living message of the gospel. Then, is your presence within us? Yes. Where there is faith, there I am. Do not seek my face in forms or images. Seek it in forgiveness, in truth, in love for your neighbor.
And what if I feel you're not there?
Look within you. I dwell there, waiting for you to believe. Many say they follow me, yet they walk divided. Can a body be divided and still live?
Master, why are there so many divisions among those who believe in you?
Because they forgot that I am the head, and you are one body. I did not come to create religions. I came to reconcile man with God.
So, does it matter what name our church has?
What matters is the love within it. For without love, I am nothing. Many have added customs, words, and forms, but the truth never changes. And what is that truth, Lord? I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. I am not dead. I am alive. My spirit lives in those who seek me in truth. And how can we know if we truly follow you? When you love one another, then the world will know you are my disciples. Leave behind what divides you. One Lord, one faith, one eternal love. I am with you always, even to the end of the world. In every age, God has used allegories, images, stories, and voices to speak to the human heart. Today, he is still reaching out, and this channel exists for that. To share his word, not mock it. To lift up the name of Jesus, not dishonor it. We often support channels that laugh at God, but this place is different. Here, we seek to let his voice reach your life. And if this message touched you, if you felt peace, truth, or hope, then I invite you, walk with us.
Subscribe, share, help us continue spreading the gospel, because light grows only when more people see it.